As I think you may have already heard, we're going to continue the discussions within our conference on the differences that we have, that we're continuing to try to litigate. Consequently, we will not be on the bill this week, but we're still working toward getting at least 50 people in a comfortable place. We're going down to the White House at 4 o'clock. The President invited us to come down. The White House has been very much involved in these discussions. They're very anxious to help, and we appreciate the invitation, and I hope all of our members will head down. I think that will likely be the case. No, it's an ongoing discussion, and members several of them want more time. We have a number of different discussions going on that have been going on for 6 weeks now, and they continue. This is a big, complicated subject. If none of you have ever covered a big, complicated bill, they're hard to pull together and hard to pass. Ed? Well, the President's been very involved over the last week, talking to members individually. He wanted to talk to all of us together today. I think that's helpful. And look, legislation of this complexity almost always takes longer than anybody else would hope. But we're going to press on. We think the status quo is unsustainable for all the obvious reasons we've discussed over and over and over again. And we're optimistic we're going to get to a result that's better than the status quo. Well, we always anticipated the President would be very important in getting us to a conclusion. After all, under our system, he's the man with the signature. And in the early stages, it would candidly have been kind of a waste of his time in the early stages. We needed to get this far enough down the path to where there were a few issues extant that needed to be closed, and we're delaying the process so that we can close those remaining issues, and he's fully engaged and being helpful in every way that he can, including the meeting this afternoon. Thanks a lot.